Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope guys that the videos will keep uploading or helping you out. This is the fourth video. Simply means I'm doing question 4 from the IEP Mathematics Paper 1, which was written in May-June 2024. We are told to refer to the pattern and determine the following. Okay, if you look at this pattern, guys, you will realize that this pattern is arithmetic. Why am I saying it's arithmetic? Because the first difference is common. The first difference is common, right? T2 minus T1, I'll simply get a negative 4. T3 minus T2, get a negative 4. T4 minus T3, the first difference is common, right? Okay, so now they want us to determine the general formula for the for the pattern above. For us to determine the general formula, we only need two things. We only need the first term, the value of the first term, and the common difference. We're just going to substitute them in this equation that says Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. The first term is 15, and the common difference is negative 4. Those are the only two things we need for us to find the general term. So I'll have 15 minus 4n plus 4. I'll be left with 19 minus 4n as my general formula. Okay. Second question, they want us to find the sum of the above number pattern. There are two equations we can use. We can use this one that says Sn is equal to n over 2 2a, or we can simply say it's Sn is equal to n over 2 a plus the last term. Why we can use this one because we have the last term, right? However, the first equation will always work whether you have the last term or not. It will always work. Are you together? And there are only three things you need. You need the number of terms, the value of the first term, and the common difference, right? So I do have the value of the first term. I know the common difference. The only thing I'm short of is the number of terms. So for me to find the number of terms, I'm going to use my general formula. That says Tn is equal to 19 minus 4n. 19 minus 4n, right? Whenever I see Tn, I will substitute the value of my last term. Are you together? Now I want to find whenever I substitute the value of the last term in space of Tn, the n that I will get is the number of terms of the sequence. So I'll simply have 213 minus 19. I'll get, it's 213. I'll get negative 232 is equal to negative 4n. I'll divide both sides by a negative 4n. So therefore, n is equal to 58. So basically, I just want to find the sum of the first 58 terms. I'll simply say whenever I see n, I'll substitute 58. The first term is 15. I'll say 58 minus 1. Common difference is simply minus 4. What do I get? Let me punch my precious calculator. 58 over 2. 2. Let me check. I'll simply get negative 5,742. Okay, let me check if I use this other equation. Sn is equal to n over 2 a plus l. 58 terms. The first term is 15 plus negative 213, which is my last term. Okay, what do I get? 58 over 2, 15. I still get the same answer, negative 5,742. It's up to you guys which one you want to use after finding n. As long as you have the number of terms, you are good to go. Now we are told to determine the value of the following expression. The value of the following expression. In that expression, for this one, we must calculate sum to infinity, and this one is the sum of the series, and the number of terms for the second sigma. Let me do this. The number of terms for the second sigma, it's top minus bottom plus 1 is equal to 19. So I just want to find the sum of the first 19 terms, right? And remember that I'm given the starting point is 2. So which simply means that whenever I generate my sequence, I'll simply have 3 over 5 squared plus 3 over 5 to the power 3 plus 3 over 5 to the power 4. This will go until I substitute 20. 3 over 5 all raised to the power 20. Alright, together. And I can see here that the value of A is equal to 3 over 5 squared R. Whenever when I say T2 divide by T1, I'll simply get 3 over 5, right? And remember that N is equal to 19. For me to find the sum, I only need the values of A, N, and R. So Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the N over 1 minus R, right? The value of A is simply 3 over 5 all squared, then 1 minus 3 over 5 to the power 19 all over 1 minus 3 over 5. Let's see what you find there. It's 3 over 5 all squared multiplied by 1 minus 3 over 5 to the power 19 all over 1 minus 3 over 5. Hey, this will give me 0.8999451576, right? And then now let's check the sum to infinity. I only need the value of A and R here. The value of the first term is simply 3 over 5. Remember that right now it's different because I'll start by substituting the value of 1 whenever I see n. So I'll say 3 over 5 plus I'll have 3 over 5 all squared, right? So A is 3 over 5, R is also 3 over 5. So therefore sum to infinity, I'll get A 1 minus R. This will give me 3 over 5 all over 1 minus 3 over 5, right? This will give me 3 over 2, which is just 1,5. So now I know that this guy is equal to 3 over 2, which is just 1,5, and then this one is equal to this one. So for me to find the solution for this thing, I'll simply say this is equal to 1.5 plus 0.8994551576. I'll simply get 2.39994. I'll simply round off this answer, guys. It's 2.4. I'll simply get 2.4. So whenever I add the two sigmas, the final answer will be 2.4. Okay, guys, please stay tuned, guys, and wait for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you gained something.